Hello, I'm looking at Joanna and Damien now. Now, Joanna, I've said to you now about two or three times that you don't want to stack type. I'm not sure if you don't understand it or you disagree, but either way, I'd like to have it addressed. So if you disagree, let me know why. So this is it, in case you're confused. Stack type is basically when you put the words vertical. People don't do it because it's hard to read. It actually can give you a headache. So what you do instead is you just type it out, and then sometimes you might have to turn the type to outlines, and then you rotate it so it's on its side. It's just easier to read that way. So that is a design no-no, and you don't want to have it in your portfolio. All right, that said, I think overall, I mean, I like what you've done with the typography. You made some of it bold. Looks like it's a different font size though from here to here. You got all caps here, but then it's just a lowercase but bigger. It almost looks like a different font up here too. Overall, I think it's pretty plain. I don't think it has a strong selling point. The audience isn't clear, and then also the photo is a little dark. Take a look at some of your classmates' work and look at the care that they've put into it. Perhaps, you just need a little bit more content. So get some ideas from your classmates to see how much they've actually put into theirs. And then also look and see what they've done to photographs. See how they've made them brighter. It really helps to pop off the page. Not that one. Here's a good example. Lori's taken the photo. She's real creative with them. She's brightened them up. She took one of the colors from the screen and put it in the background, so it really makes it pop. She also put extraneous elements in there that make it look like it's from like a super big company. Thought that was a great idea. She wrote her own content. So, really stretch your wings and see what you can do with that. All right. Let me see the next one. Hold on a sec. All right, Damien, I'm glad you understand the type, the print, typed print specs. It's important to understand that. If you don't, definitely read over that chapter again because it's something you'll need to know or at least be familiar with in the future. In reality, all you do is you call up the printer and ask them what they want, what they need, and that's really all you need to do, but it's good to be familiar with the terms they use. Okay, so that's cute, the little NV there. I don't think this font is particularly inspiring. You have done a good job with addressing your audience. It couldn't be more clear. I love the old people on here and the giant type. The colors, there's some contrast. It's not too crazy. I do think you can take the photo into Photoshop and increase the brightness contrast. With the older audience, you definitely would need to. Otherwise, I think in print, unless this is like the most fabulous paper ever, this black against the dark shadows in the hand will kind of disappear. So you might consider a different color there. Like think about what would really work, what would tie it all in together. Maybe a bright orange would be kind of obnoxious, but it would work. Or just go back to your teal, this light teal, or maybe a darker version of the teal. Otherwise, my final comment is to just really take these photos into Photoshop and adjust the brightness and contrast. They're pretty muddy. So I wanted to show you what some other people have done so you can see Samantha really popped it up. I think that would look great with yours. Imagine that in there. It will really be vibrant. And then Lori's is the gold standard here. You can see what she's done. She's really bright in this photo. And look how great that looks. All right, let me know if you have any questions.